Chad ordered this 15 millimeter long throw dual action polisher kit from Amazon. It comes with polish. It comes with compound. It comes with a instruction manual and a handle if you want to put the auxiliary handle on it, and a wrench. Some other little trinkets in there, it looks like. And then the cleaning brush for the pads, a little plastic brush. And then we have a white polishing pad. These are 6-inch pads. And we've got a blue compounding pad. And then on the tool itself, I have I don't know if it's terry cloth or some type of wool or something, but it's also a compounding pad. The hook and loop on this thing is mighty strong. Hard for my old arthritis hands to peel off there, but that's good. At least it won't fly off. That's a compounding pad. Now I'm not sure of the exact measurement, but it comes with a cord that is at least 20 feet long. It's pretty long. When you plug it in, light comes on, so that's kind of handy. As I said, it's a 15 millimeter throw, so that's pretty aggressive. We'll get down to business. And this will be my first time using a orbital buffer. I have a Harbor Freight one, but I welded the bearing on it to use it to strip cars with, so we'll test this one out for polishing. It has speeds from 1 to 6. Once it gets going, it's pretty smooth. I didn't use it for the buffing because I'd already buffed the car with the 3M waffle pad on the Warrior buffer from Harbor Freight. Piece of crap, but that's a given. And I use my old standby 3M 5973 compound. It never lets me down. I've put the white polish pad on there, and the instructions on this bottle say to put 4 pea-sized drops of polish on the pad, and that's that scientific term that we all know and love from the Bondo can. What in the hell is a pea size? Is it a green pea or a snow pea or a chickpea or we don't even know? But I'll go ahead and put a couple of drops on there and follow the directions to see what happens. I'm reading through the rest of the directions, and I won't bore you with the details. If you want to read the directions when you get the kit, you can. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What a pain in the, you know. Okay, here we go. It said to smear it around a little bit, which I always do with compound too. And then run it at 4 to 6 on the speed. So I went ahead and started at 4. And I'm working it and working it. It's easily operated with one hand because it's very smooth. It's my arthritis hand. I mean, it still hurts my hand, but anything that I run this power tool hurts my hand. But like I say, it's nice and smooth in its action, so I can do it one-handed if I want to. Now I'll speed things up because it's kind of slow going. I'm not sure if it's polishing it to the level that I want it or not, because this is my first time. So here we go. Okay, it said to polish it down with my hand with a good microfiber cloth. To me, there's no such thing as a good microfiber cloth, but this one's a clean one anyway. So I'm rubbing it and rubbing it and rubbing it. And to me, a microfiber cloth is terribly non-absorbent. I like to use cotton, like diapers, old school diapers, washed and fluffed up fabric softener. They're much more absorbent than a microfiber cloth. So tell me I'm not a paint correction professional. Morons. It is shining up pretty nice though, so the Adams polisher looks like it did a good job, and the polish looks like it did a good job. It'll probably be smudgy when I take it out in the sun, but I won't rain on the parade till I know for sure. It looks like I'm getting the residue off in the fluorescent light, but the sun will tell the tale. I got to polish the whole car because I had to buff the whole car hard because it sat outside where they were painting generators in the yard it was sitting in, and had to overspray all over it. Clay bar wouldn't take it off, so I had to buff it hard. So I'll polish it up real good, and then we'll take it outside and look at it. See if Billy's 90% overlap on that silver worked out good, and paint matches good and all that. So y'all, please touch my like thingy and share my shizzle and subscribe, damn it!